Okay, for our next frosting, which is going to be a thick frosting, we're going to need 1 cup of shortening, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and 4 tablespoons of milk. And that's all we're going to need. And we're also going to need a bowl big enough to mix everything into. I recommend something like this. All right, so let's get started. Once again, for this recipe, I recommend using a fork for the same reasons as the last one. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add our shortening to the bowl. And if you ever worked with shortening before, you know that it helps it if it's not hot, but just a little bit warm. If you get hot, it starts running, but you know, just a little bit like room temperature or so. Like right now under these lights, you can see it's melting nicely, but it may not melt so well if you had it kind of chilly. So what we're going to do next is we're going to add our powdered sugar in. Not all at once, just a little bit at a time. I'm actually going to take my spatula for this. It might be a better implement to do this with. And we're just going to cream the sugar in with the shortening. What that means is we're just going to work them together. And you want to be careful you don't make a giant mess, because this powdered sugar can go everywhere. And what's going to happen is the shortening isn't going to soak up or isn't going to adhere to all of this, because the amount of powdered sugar is going to kind of outweigh the amount of shortening in here. So what we're trying to do is we're just trying to get it mixed up a little bit before we add the milk to it and the vanilla. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and add the vanilla in there now. Just gives a little extra liquid, as well as the milk. And you've got to be careful using the vanilla and the milk together, because if you were to mix them together beforehand, if you're using real vanilla, the alcohol in the vanilla would curdle the milk, and that would not be good. So you can see now I've got like a almost like a cottage cheesy looking consistency.